Yes, my people. I beg, I want us to watch and listen to this video very well. See the kind of things where pastors in Nigeria own. Why some members of the church cannot afford 3 square meal in a day. Why some no fit afford 2 square meal in a day. But the pastor of the church you worship own a private jet, own Bugatti, own kind of things, own university that you cannot even attend the university, and you worship in the church. You tell me every time you keep on saying Buhari is our problem, and this one government is our problem, this one is our problem. In fact, 60% of our problem come out from church, because we invest in the church. Why church don't invest on us? I know how many church and population of church within Nigeria. Church within Nigeria plenty pass mosque. But make one Muslim girl do wetin? Make one person kidnap am or make something happen to am in front of Muslim people. I swear they will kill the person. Not talk of this one, say they kidnap this girl, go Sambisa for a sins. They rape the girl. The girl still say he no one denounce Christianity. Where all the whole pastors within Nigeria go put out. How they go put out? Where they go go collect envelope? How they go put out? Where they say they don't consign them? How? See the kind of world where they live inside. And when I tell you so that they practice Christianity, that girl life no matter. And now go they tell us believe in God. We want follow Jesus, but we know they do it in Jesus. Look what they do. Love your neighbor as yourself. Only as far as say una use una here, hear and say that girl say, I no want denounce Christianity. All the whole pastors within Nigeria, una supposed come out, una supposed come out, una supposed read protest. So I made they leave that girl. But all of una, none of una do am. That girl dey there, she don't born the first one, now second one. You tell me say go better for all of una with the man of God. We una call ourselves man of God because una know the man of God. If una go fit dey comfortable, the physical and dey with una children, go and go punish all of una. Anybody wey call himself Christian and you no wan talk evil, you no wan talk against this thing wey dey happen to that girl, e mustn't be say you go Sambisa forest. Come outside talk. Come outside. If do what they talk now, if everybody will be Christian, come out talk, I swear people will go help go come. How they go this that girl go come? But everybody keep quiet because you know be my sister, you know be this one, you know be this one. When I go to tell me, Eastern Secrets go do this one, all of them go come out talk. Some useless people go come out talk. Planning S-men go they keep people. Christians, they go they keep Christians when I no go talk. See what they do Christians for not. When I no go talk. See Pastor Chris, I've been waiting the call him. You just sit down. Person use a house, console seat. You know slap am, tell am say they mad. Do the first one, do the second one. When I even get mad, they toss on a one go court. With person house, person property. Based on una don't talk, put inside all of them. That's why I say most of them go sit down for sure. They go sit down like idiots. Now idiots, now they be down. Now wow, now one Nigerians. I like the way now they can say, you know what, any gathering again. Anybody where they see, even a kimmy they kill them. Because most of Christians no deserve to their life. I swear to God, if now one Muslim girl, 90 days who like that, fire for don't be everywhere. War for don't be everywhere. At this and for the state, One guy wey dey finish final year, this thing wey I dey tell 2010, ask anybody wey finish for Ghana mother. One person wey dey finish in a final year, and be that. Wetin happen? Because he beat Alamajiri, wey no get mother, he no get father. They expel am for the school. Final year student wey be say he don spend almost 5 years. See how Muslims value their people, but we Christians, thunder na go fire all of una. Anybody wey no comot speak against evil, e no go better for land, e no go better for im generation. Na me talk am. My name is Timazi Ndubezi. E no go better for una. Anybody wey no comot speak against evil, e no go better for that people. The family go suffer. Wetin this day they go through, all of una wey no wan talk of evil wey that girl, wey no wan comot in one way or the other contribute. Una no go see better thing. That's what happen when they happen to that girl. Go still happen to now in one way or the other. Una generation go suffer. Stupid people, stupid men of God, stupid Christians, pastors. The kind of atrocity where they commit for Nigeria. Muslim people are better than Christian, and I will prove it to you, and I will tell you reason why. I'm not a Muslim, I'm a Christian. But I stopped going to church since 2016 because for church na fraud, pastors na fraud. I don't know why Nigerian people don't want to have sense. See Pastor Suleiman, the first problem don't come. He sleep with woman, he no sleep with woman. That one first. Then some stupid and hopeless people for the church, but they say, if they condemn our father, if they condemn our man of God, if they condemn this thing, God go verse with you, make God kill you for there. You know, sister, no, you know God. May that God wey dey feel say may him kill you for there. Now, Pastor Suleiman don buy first private jet, second one, and third one. And poor people plenty for Awushi, poor people plenty for there. They go dey use una go sell Maggi for market, sell ogiri for market, sell food stuff for market, una gather the money, say una wan go pay tithe. Una can go give one person wey sit down for im house, saying the minister to una, in dey do this one, in dey do this one, he say it shall be well with you. All of una go dey move yourself. Na fit una get sense. No you na be Christian, no you na wan know God. Redeem Church, the same thing. All the whole church wey dey for Nigeria, the same thing. Business. Business. That's why government wan plan for this. All of them begin to shout. All of them begin to shout. People wey no suppose go visit Buhari, they begin to go visit Buhari because of wetin? Because of they no wan make they put ban for the place. May another person dey monitor the account. Everybody could just go, hey, man of God, man of God, man of God, man of God. Why will no one get sense? You see why you say we no get sense? There's series why Muslim people better pass Christian. Muslim man, if he get money, he go help in people. If he get money, as far as they come that mosque, he must make sure say he chop food. Oh. That's why I say all this Alamajiri, they never help them. Maybe that the one of say maybe give them money they go start life, but they know they're hungry. But inside church, you go see person wey never shop food safe, but he save money when we just go do offering. And you go still give that one for church, you still go house, they hungry. Muslim man, a man go keep prayer finish, go do prayer finish for church as pastor. He finish go house. The next day, you go sell in Golo, go sell in business, go do in business. But all the whole Nigerian Christian pastor, they know they do any business again. No, they know they do any business. Where fat envelope they come, How you want to do business? Where other people go there, they suffer for you. Una go talk say, walk your way, pay tithe that will provoke God. Make that provocation of God, may catch all of una. May God kill all of una. Why wicked? Why all these pastors? In fact, the major problem when Nigeria gets na pastors. Na them be major problem Nigeria gets. If they talk of corruption, na there na plenty pass. Because you go see, before one governor or anyone want go, you go just go meet one pastor, you go pray for them. What Jesus can do, stop what the whole money job, you still go, one pastor go pray for them. You go say fasting because he come your church. Why would they deceive ourselves? See, me, one thing will make me stop the church, go church, because me I find out say na church, now when they deceive people. And I believe say once you die, your world don't end. So do good thing on your own. Serve your God. Ndị Igbo si ụka dị n'obi. Ọ bụrụ ibu mmiri nsọ oge elelewe isi mana oge eje. People, it's high time we wake up. It's high time we wake up. Stop all this mumu and atrocity wey they commit in the name of church. Pay tithe, pay this one, pay this one. The other parent father come talk say issue of tithe is no good. But some people go begin to criticize and say yes. Somebody don't tell me I'm not dey pay again. Some go pay tithe again. I go carry and go orphanage. You get some people who say they don't give food to chop. I go give and God go bless me through those people. Than to carry and go give one stupid man who sit down for a house. I swear you, no pastor fit curse me for this life. No pastor will feel say he wan do this thing for me. Na lie. Anything one they do, dey between me and God. Anything wey happen to me, na so God want am. Why una go carry una faith and hope put for one man, person wey be like una? Wey be say una no even know how him take get the power o. But even though say na God call am. For Bible, how many people depend on Jesus? Go to church, worship, go your house. But some church now they do offering like 5 times, 6 times. Nigerian people, Christians, shame on you people. Shame on you people. Make shame cash on now. Make shame cash on now. You people are, in fact, big disgrace now na be. When I no one use my head, think ahead. Make una dey there now. Good afternoon, good morning, good night, depending on your time zone.